See students, in the last class we have already seen what is angle and how to measure the angle. And also we have discussed degree measurement. How we define a degree? So when one complete revolution is divided into 360 equal parts, then angle between any two consecutive lines is 1 degree. Again that 1 degree is divided into 60 equal parts, then angle between any two lines is called 1 minute. Again that 1 minute is divided into 60 equal parts, then angle between any two lines is 1 second. Right? So we have one more measurement, so that is called as radian measurement. Radian measurement. Radian measurement. So how you define one radian, or how you define a radian? So radian is an angle subtended. See, radian is an angle subtended at the center of unit circle. See, radian is angle subtended at the center of unit circle. Unit circle means what? That radius is 1 unit. 1 unit means that means 1 centimeter or 1 meter in a center of unit circle by an arc of length 1 minute. See here, what is the meaning of this here? So I will consider a circle whose radius is 1 unit. See, this is an arc. Arc means what? It is a part of circumference of circle. So this is arc. And what is the meaning of segment? Segment is a part of circle. Part of circumference of circle is called as arc. Part of circle is called as segment. Right? Now see. Now this is theta. So when this is 1 unit, radius is 1 unit, and then when this arc length is also 1 unit, so this angle is said to be 1 radian. Is it clear, friends? When the radius is 1 unit and arc length is 1 unit, so then the center angle at the center is called as 1 radian. So therefore, radian is an angle subtended at the center of unit circle by an arc of length 1 unit. Suppose if the radius is not 1 unit, so if the arc length is not 1 unit, then how to find the angle in radians? Right? So see here, if theta, see, now this is an arc and this is theta, so this is the radius and this is an arc of length L. In general, how to find this angle theta? So that theta is given by, we have a formula, theta is equal to L by R. Right? So that theta is equal to L by R. When L is 1 and R is 1, then theta is called as 1 radian. So if if radius is not equal to 1 unit and length of arc is not equal to 1 unit, so this is a formula to find angle in radians when we know radius and arc length. So that theta is equal to L by R. Is it clear, friends? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Write down definition of this radian.
Yes, sir.
Radian measure. Write down. Radian is an angle. Radian is an angle. Or you can write down this formula and draw these rough diagrams. Fast. Make it fast.
Okay.
Okay. Is it over? Is it over?
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, tell once again, sir, how did we get that theta, sir?
No, this theta is angle. No, that how you define this angle in radian means this radian measurement is used in rotation. So when the body is moving in circular direction, how to find that angle is in radians, right? Suppose, see here, I will show with some other diagram. See, this is a circle. Let us assume what is the angle subtended here. This is theta in radians. If you want to find this angle theta, you must know this radius of circle. Radius of circle is r, and this is an arc length. So this is an arc length. See here, this is an arc length. Let us assume this is L. If you know this L and R, we can find the angle theta. So what is the formula? That formula is theta is equal to L by R. For example, see here, I will write. See, if arc length L is 4 centimeter and radius is 2 centimeter, then what is the angle in radians? Theta is equal to L by R. So what is L here? It is 4. What is radius here? It is 2. Then what is answer is 2 radians. If you know that L and R, we can find the angle in radians. That angle is 2 radians. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Sir, but how is it derived, sir?
The derivation is not there. Derivation is not there for syllabus. Only this expression they have given, theta is equal to L by R. Derivation is not there. Proof is not given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is it over? See now. Shall we move to the
Completed.
Is it clear? Is it over?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
see. Next one. So the next important here is conversion of radian, and what is the relation between radians and degrees? See. That one complete rotation already we know that is 360 degrees. So here that one complete rotation is 360 degrees. That's 360 degree in degrees, that is equal to 2 pi radians. That is equal to 2 pi radians. Means what? What is the value of pi? Pi radians is nothing but how much it is? 180 degrees. So this is in radian and this is in degrees. Already we know in high school. So pi by 3 means it is 60 degree. Pi by 4 means it is 45 degree. Similarly, pi by 2 means it is 90 degree, and pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. So these all angles are in degrees. These all angles are in radians. But how we can convert? 75 degree means how many radians? Or 105 degree means how many radians? 150 means how many radians? 185 means how many radians? We can convert angle in degrees to radians, and similarly we can convert radian into degrees. But these are the standard values already we know. Pi by 3 means 60 degree, right? So this already you have studied this in 10th standard, no? Pi means 180 degree, 2 pi means 360 degree, pi means 180 degrees. If you substitute pi 180 by 3 is how much? 60 degree. Here 180 by 4, 45 degree. 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. 180 by 6, that is 30 degree. So now we can convert angle in radian to degrees here. Definitely there is one problem on this. We can convert angle in radians to degrees, and similarly we can convert angle in degrees to radians. Is it clear, students? We can convert any angle in degrees to radian, and similarly we can convert to radian to degree. So now we see conversion of angles from degrees to radian and radians to degree. Now how to convert here? See, given degree value is given, then how to find its radian value? Degree value is given, how to find that radian value? So that radian is equal to, see here, it is pi by 180 into degree measurements. So this is the formula to convert degree to radian. So radian value is equal to pi by 180 into degree. For example, see here, don't write. For example, see, I will take 60 degree. Then how to convert in radians? So that radian is equal to C. So that is pi by 180 into degrees. How many degrees? 60 degrees. Now 60 ones are 63s are. What is the answer? Pi by 3. Already we know that 60 degrees is nothing but what? Pi by 3 radians. So given value is in degrees, how to convert degree into radian? By using this formula, we can convert angle in degrees to radian. So that is radian is equal to how much? Pi by 180 into degree. So then how to convert here? Now radian is given. Radian is given. Then how to find its degree value? Degree. So therefore, now degree is equal to, see here. So that is 180 divided by pi into radian value. Just this is a modification of this formula only. What is degree? Cross multiply this 180 divided by pi into radian. Just it is a modification of this formula only, right? So for example, see here. For example, I will take pi by 2. Pi by 2 radians. Pi by 2 radians means what? 90 degrees. Check here. So degree is equal to, see, it is 180 divided by pi into radian. Radian is how much it is? Pi by 2. Here pi will get cancelled. 180 by 2 is how much it is? 90 degrees. Right? So by using this formula, we can convert degree into radian. By using this formula, we can convert radian into degree. Is it clear, students, how to convert degree into radian and radian to degree? So by using this formula, we can convert degree to radian. By using this formula, we can convert radian to degree. Definitely there is one problem in the exam to convert degrees to radian or radian to degree. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll solve problems on this formula. First write on this formula. Next we'll solve problems on conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. First write on this. Is it over? Is it over, friends?
Yes, sir.
See.
Yes, sir.
Right on. Next. Convert convert the following degree measurement to radians. Convert the following degree measurements to radians. See, first one 240 degrees, 35, so they are given the values in degrees, that is 240 degree, 135, 360, 720, 1080, 420, 750. So these all measurements are in degrees. We have to convert these degrees into radians. See here. So we already know what is the formula for radian. So what is the formula for radian? Radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree. Right, so that is the formula what we are using. Radian measurement is equal to pi by 180 into degrees. So first one, see here. So I will use that. So that is radian is equal to, see here, pi by 180 into degree. What? How many degrees? 240 degrees. Substitute here. That is 240. Now see here. So 6 4s are 6 3s are. So what is the answer is 4 pi by 3 radians. This will ask for 1 mark. Right? So radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree value. What is the degree value? It is 240. Substitute 240 here. Now it is 0 will get cancelled. 6 4s are 6 3s are. The answer is 4 pi by 3 radians. Then second one, see here. Radian is equal to same pi by 180 into degree value. How many degrees? 135. 135. Now you can see here 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 5 3s are 15, 5 3. So now is it clear or not? 27 pi by, see, pi by 180 into 135. 90 plus 45. Right. So how much? So now see. 5 2s are 10. Now 3 5 7s are. Right. So 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are. Now 3 9s are. 3 12s are. So 3 3s are. 3 4s are. What is the answer here? It is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Or we can write directly 45 3s are 135. 45 4s are 180. So what is the answer for that? 3 pi by 4 radians. Right. So then 360. Now radian is equal to pi by 180 into degrees. That is 360. So therefore 181s are 182s are. That is equal to how much it is? 2 pi radians. Next is 720. Now radian is equal to pi by 180 into 720. Now 181s are 184s are. That is equal to how much it is? 4 pi radian. Is it clear, students? Just apply the formula of pi by 180 into degree value and simplify it. Is it clear how to convert degree into radian? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. Just apply that formula. Radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree value. Substitute that and simplify. Tell me the answer for the remaining three fast. That is 1080, then 420 and 750. Write down this first. First write down this, then tell me the answers for these three.
First one 6 pi, sir.
Okay.
6 pi, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Sixth one 7 pi by 3, sir.
Yeah,
7 pi by 3.
7 pi by 3 is correct. This is 6 pi. This is 7 pi by 3. Then 750.
Last one 25 pi by 6.
Right, 25 pi by 6. Just verify your answers. Is it clear? Everybody got this answer? 1080 degree means 6 pi radians. 420 degree means 7 pi by 3. 750 means 25 pi by 6. Tell me for this one, 36 degrees. Then 15 degrees. Tell me 36 degree in radians. Similarly 15 degrees in radians.
Sir, 36 degree will be 2 pi, sir.
36 degrees, not 360. Only 36.
Okay, sir.
Pi by 5, sir.
Pi by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
18 degrees.
Pi by 12.
15 degrees, pi by 12. Okay. 18 degrees.
Pi by 10, sir.
Pi by
Pi
10.
by 10. Okay. Is it clear for everyone how to convert degrees into radians?
Yes, sir.
It's clear, no? It's very easy. Just
Yes,
apply
sir.
that formula. Radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree. So then substitute the value, you get the answer. Okay. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move to the next step? Is it over? Write it fast.
Over, sir.
Okay. See here then. Then 40 degrees here. Next one 40 degree 20 minutes. Then 20 degree 40 minutes. Then 47 degree 30 minutes. 47 degree 30 minutes. So then we have 59 degree 59 minutes 60 seconds. See students, next see here how to convert these values in radians. Next is 40 degree 20 minutes. Next here 20 degree 40 minutes, 47 degree 30 minutes, and we'll see later. See students, how to convert this. Don't write here. So first we have to convert that minutes into degrees. If there is seconds, that seconds also we have to convert in degrees. See here. So now this is 40 degree plus, so 20 minutes, if you divide it by 60, that value will be converted into degrees, right? Yesterday already I told you how to convert minutes into degrees. That value you should divide it by 60, right? Yesterday I told you how to convert minutes into degrees. So divide that value by 60. Now 40 plus 21 are 23, that is 1 by 3. Now we can see 3 into 40, 120 plus 1, 121 by 3 degrees, right? Now I am converting this whole value in terms of degrees. So that is 40 degree plus 20 minutes is nothing but 20 by 60 degrees. So 20 by 60 is how much? 1 by 3. Now this is also in degrees, this is also in degrees. Now add these two. Now 40 into 3, 120, 120 plus 1 is 121 by 3. Now convert this in radian. So see here. So radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree value. What is degree value? 121 by 3. So pi by 180 into degree, what is degree? 121 by 3. If there is cancellation, you can do, otherwise multiply 121 into pi. 121 pi divided by 18 3s are 540 radians. Is it clear, students? So if that minutes is given, convert that minutes into degrees. So we are getting how much it is? 121 by 3 degrees. So what is radian? Pi by 180 into degree. What is degree? 121 by 3. So 121 pi divided by 540 is the radian value. So next similarly see here. So now it is 20 degrees.
Sir, if it is in second, we should divide by 3600.
We have to divide by 3600. Right? So now see here. 40 minutes. See it. So 40 minutes converted degrees. That is 40 divided by 60 degrees. Right? So now 22s are 23s are. That is 20 plus 2 by 3 degrees. Now 20 into 3, 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 3 degrees. Again same, so that radian is equal to pi by 180 into degree. How many degrees? 62 by 3. Now see here, 2 31s are 290. 2 31s are 290s are. Therefore, what is the radian value? So radian value is equal to 31 pi divided by 9 3s are 270 radians. Is it clear, students? If minutes is given, so that convert that minutes into degrees. So convert that whole value into degrees, then substitute in the formula. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then tell me the answer for that one. 47 degree 30 minutes. First write down these two. First write down these.
What is the questions?
Question,
Last questions.
47 degree 30 minutes. Here is there. Convert that value into radians.
19 pi by 72, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
Same, sir.
Okay. See here, it is 47 degree plus 30 minutes is nothing but 30 divided by 60 degrees. Now it is 47 plus 1 by 2, right? So 2 into 47, 94, 94 plus 1, 95 by 2 degrees. Is it clear? 95 by 2 degrees. So then what is radian? Radian is 180 divided, sorry, 5 by 180 into 95 by 2. So now 5 35s are 5 ones are 5, 5 9s are. So therefore it is 19 pi divided by 70. Is it clear, friends? Everybody got the answer? Is it clear? 19 pi by 70?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The answer is 19 pi by 70. Then tell me for answer for this 59 degree, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. Tell me next one. 59 degree, 59 minutes, 60 seconds.
Pi by 3, sir.
Yeah, pi by 3 is correct. Degree, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. See students, 59 degrees C. So 60 minutes is nothing but what? So sorry, 60 seconds is nothing but 1 minute. So now 59 minutes again plus 1 minute. 59 minutes plus 1 minute is how much? Is 60 minutes. Because already it is seconds, no, 60 seconds is nothing but 1 minute. So 59 minutes plus 1 minute is equal to how much? 60 minutes. Now it is 59 degree. 60 minutes is nothing but how much? It is 1 degree, right? 60 minutes is nothing but what? 1 degree. Now 59 plus 1, 60 degree. Now radian value, they have converted radian, that is pi by 180 into degree, 60. 61s are 63s are. What is the answer? Pi by 3. What is the answer for this? Pi by 3.